Okay, let me show how I prepare these lessons and how I deliver this recording section to my students. Okay, first of all, let me start a new project with a blank canvas. Okay, so I, I I will start the recording here. Okay, so because I want to show you how I prepare the lessons. Okay, first of all, I will retrieve some of the lesson materials. Okay, I put my lesson material in my Google Drive, so I can bring in the materials here. The first one I will bring in is an image. Okay, actually this is taken using the iPad camera on a physical worksheet. Okay, so I will leave it here. Okay, and also I need some exercise on PDF files in exercise to try to show them in the class. So I bring in this PDF as well. This PDF has 70 pages. I don't need them all, so I only need a few of them to in this single lesson. So I will select only 3 pages. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, I will insert it to my canvas. Okay, so let me organize my things like this. Okay, so now we can start my lesson. Okay, so my working area is around here, so I will try to bring in my videos now. Okay, so I try to reduce my video a little bit like this. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, and then I'll bring in my exercise here. We want to discuss this problem for today. But my PDF is in bilingual, but I'm teaching a English class, so I only need the English version. So I will select the English question. Okay, I'll put it there. Okay, and also the figure here is also useful, but I think it is too small if I put it here. So I want a larger figures for easy reference. So I will also capture that part. Okay, so I will copy that part here. Question here. Okay, so I will move to this part to discuss things. Okay, so let me resize it a little bit for easy viewing for my students. Okay, this is the question. This is the figure. Okay, I want to enlarge it here. Okay, so let's lock this. Let's lock this. Now I will start. Now I start recording my video and also how I explain the question. So now you can see that the figure BCD here is a straight line. Okay, and also BFE is also a straight line. Okay, these two is straight line. Okay, now it's AB equal to AD, so AB equal to AD here. Okay, so we can tell ABD is an isosceles triangle, right? So very simple. So let me denote the AB and AD with a red line. Okay, so this AB equal to AD D. Okay. Also, the CB equal to CA. CB equal to CA. Okay, CB equal to CA. So this triangle is also an isosceles triangle. Let us denote it, the side, equal sides, with a green color. So this CB equal to CA. Okay. What is our aim here? We need to prove A, B, C, F is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is cyclic quadrilateral? Just like C, F, D, E is cyclic quadrilateral. That is, the quadrilateral can be circumscribed by a circle like this. Okay. This is cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So what's the tactic here? If you remember the last few lessons, we know that if we can prove this angle equal to this angle, then the 4 points here is cyclic quadrilateral. So we will use this tactic, how to find this angle equal to this angle. So we try to look at this angle to see if it equal to this one. Okay. So let's go back to the information we know. Okay. Consider the triangle ABD here. Okay. We have no two equal sides. So I can denote this angle with red. Let me paint it in red. Equal to this one. Okay. So very straightforward because it's an isosceles triangle. Now let's consider triangle ABC. Okay, we also have two equal sides here. So let us denote the equal angles by green. No need. It's already here. So this angle is also equal to this one. Also paint it in red. Okay. Now we find this is a red. Okay, we find this is red. Now we need to show this is also red. The angle here. The angle here is also red. Okay, from this we need to show this is also red. From the properties we learned before, quadrilateral, this quadrilateral has some cyclic quadrilateral has some properties that opposite angle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so let me paint this one with green. So we know that angle green plus angle red green are equal to 180 degrees. Also, we know that BFE is a straight line. BFE is a straight line given here. So straight line is 180 degrees. So obviously, angle BFC here is add up to this is 180 degrees. These two add up is 180 degrees. So we know that this angle is also red. So we find that this is also red. So now we know that A, B, C, F is cyclic quadrilateral. That's how we prove ABCF is cyclic quadrilateral here. Okay, that's how we tackle the problem. Okay, so now you understand. And now I want you to do some exercise to reinforce your knowledge about cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so when you go back home for your homework, please do the exercise. You have this PDF already. Okay, so you just go to page 33 and try to, this is homework, Okay, finish question number 8. Okay, let me give you some clue for those who cannot quite master the properties of cyclic quadrilateral. Let me give you some clue. Okay, if you don't have any clue to proceed, I would suggest you do something like this, and then it will give you some idea. You can construct a line. You can construct a line, straight line like this. Try again. I need to remove this part. Okay, in my after do some edit to remove this part. Construct a line. Okay. Now, yeah. So we learn about the properties that this angle is equal to this one. So you consider triangle BCD with this tangent here, and then you can proceed. It will give you some clue towards the right answers. So give you some more hints. And for the second part, if you have no clues, also you can do the same thing. You can construct another line like this. And then with some properties like the opposite angle add up to 180 degrees, and this tangent, this is also tangent, so this equal to this. Again, will give you some clue to proceed on the second part of this answer. So I will conclude my presentation here. Okay.